Alright, so I grabbed my B-square bronzer brush. I flipped it to the more dense side, and I am dabbing my all over highlight, which is color number 1 in your compact, all over my face until I reach my desired coverage. Okay, now I'm taking my detailed HAC, the smaller side. I'm finding the hollows of my cheek and I'm brushing it on underneath that cheekbone, as well as along that hairline and jawline, creating an illusion of a shadow. I flip my brush to the puffy end and then I blend up. Remember, with contouring, we want to add lift to our face, so be sure to focus on shading the color up and not pulling it down. To create an extra chiseled look, you can contour your nose by lightly sweeping the detailed HAC into your contour shade, which is your shade number 2 in your compact. I'm brushing the lines down the sides of my nose and making sure I hook it at the tip of my nose to create that illusion of a shadow. Be sure to blend down on each side so you don't have any harsh lines. Step 3 in the compact is your cheek and lip color. I'm using my Best Blend Ever brush. I'm using the puffy end and I'm just lightly swirling that color on the apples of my cheek and blending it in up with my contour, giving it that flawless finish look. Once I reach my desired color, then I will flip my brush and use the other side of the Best Blend Ever and apply that cheek color to my lips. And hey, why not the eyes too? And whoever said we had to stop there? How about we add an illuminated bronzed glow to that high cheekbone area? I swirled my puffy end of my Best Blend Ever brush into my Angel Illuminator and into my Bella Bronzer, and I mixed the two. Now I'm just sweeping it on my face, giving my skin a sun-kissed glow. Alright, let's complete the flawless look by applying step number 4. This is my favorite step of all time. I'm using my Buffy brush, the smaller side of it. I'm lightly patting it into the lightest color of my compact, which is usually color number 4 in your basic 4-step HAC system. I'm applying it in a pipey shape underneath the eye by pressing it on, making sure it's nicely blended and pressed in around that cheek color, offering that flawless finish, as well as applying it to my high brow bone and down the bridge of my nose and the center of my forehead, giving me that extra glow. Alright, and once I have all my colors on like I desire, then I take the puffy end of my B-square bronzer brush and I give my makeup a good blend, and then I'm ready to go.